Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Silvia Drift, and this is by Hotwheels from their green and chrome series, 179 MRP. Let's unbox and see how this one looks. So at some point I'm lacking words to describe these Hotwheels cars, because everything literally looks the same. They're missing out some details, or altogether the casting looks worst, our paint job looks worst, or it is not really rolling well. So dude, these are supposed to be kids toys. It is supposed to roll really well. That's why you guys got famous in the first place. But nowadays it is not doing the thing which it is originally supposed to do or meant to do. Okay, so here is the casting. So I personally like the interior here because it's chromed out fully, or at least golded out fully. Okay, so the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic, if you guys are wondering. Okay, you can see there is some irregularities in the paint job inside this casting. I really didn't expect that actually. So there are no taillight details, no headlight details, nothing. Just casting, but paint job looks okay. I don't see much. Okay, there are some irregularities here, paint bubbling and all. But apart from that, nothing much. Let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll really well. I didn't even give that much push, but it makes a lot of noise. At least it is better than the Sierra Cosworth. Okay, so one more thing, spoilers actually made of metal. It is not plastic, if you guys are wondering. It has some exhaust details to it, which is nice. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.